how to add or change your YouTube channel description on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to YouTube. Now this is the home page. Click here and go down, click on YouTube Studio, and all what you have to do now is click on customization right here and go to the basic info option in the top right here, and you will find description. Now add the description of your channel right here, easy and fast. Welcome to my channel, for example, and click publish. And after you click publish, now let's go and see the description of the channel is here, easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end.